The world's longest highway tunnel above 10,000 feet, the Atal Tunnel connecting Manali to Leh was inaugurated today by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The tunnel has brought hopes for the people of Lahaul who remain cut off from the rest of the state for around 6 months in winters due to the closure of 13,058 feet high Rohtang Pass in the wake of heavy snowfall. The journey from Manali Valley to Lahaul and Spiti Valley, which normally takes around 5 hours, would now be completed in little over 10 minutes. This strategically important infrastructure has been named after former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who had announced the same on June 3, 2000. The work was entrusted to the Border Roads Organization. The 9-kilometer long Atal Tunnel is one of the longest road tunnels in India and has been built at a cost of around Rs 3,200 crore. Under Rohtang Pass, the strategic road tunnel project has been built at an elevation of 10,171 feet. The project has faced geological challenges which have pushed the deadline since digging started in 2011. The project was to be completed in February 2015, but water ingress from Seri Nulla, ban on rock mining and delay in allotment of land needed for quarrying and loose rock strata in the middle caused the slow progress. Let's take a look at some of the key features of the Atal Tunnel. The tunnel provides a telephone facility on every 150 meters, fire hydrant on every 60 meters, emergency exit on every 500 meters, turning caravan on every 2.2 kilometers, air quality monitoring on every 1 kilometer, broadcasting system and automatic incident detection system with CCTV cameras on every 250 meters. The Atal Tunnel has consumed 14,508 metric tons of steel and 2,37,596 metric tons of cement and excavated out 14 lakh cubic meters soil and rocks using the drill and blast technique for excavation and the new Austrian tunneling method for construction. BRO officials say vehicles will travel at a maximum speed of 80 km per hour. Up to 1,500 trucks and 3,000 cars are expected to use it per day when the situation gets to normal post-COVID-19 restrictions. So what is the strategic advantage of the Atal Tunnel? Cutting through the Pir Panjal range, the tunnel will reduce the distance between Manali and Leh by 46 kilometers. The tunnel will not only be a boon to the residents of the Lahaul and Spiti Valley, but will provide almost all-weather connectivity to the troops stationed in Ladakh. However, for full all-weather connectivity, additional tunnels will have to be built on the Manali-Leh route so that the high passes on the axis do not impede movement due to snowfall. A 13.2 km long tunnel will have to be built to negotiate the 16,040 feet high Bara-Lacha Pass, and another 14.78 km long tunnel will be required at the Lachung La Pass at 16,800 feet. A third 7.32 km long tunnel will also be required at Tanglang La Pass at 17,480 feet.